Alrighty guys, we're going to start here at tradeconfident.io. I just came out with, I think this was about a 50-minute video. It's long, but there's no time wasted. We're getting into today, what is the bullish and bearish outlook for cryptocurrency? Guys, the bullish outlook, why this recent drop, why there's strong evidence of this could have been the final shakeout. I'm gonna ping pong back and forth here between charts. But why was this decline the largest sell-off we've seen in crypto history? Why do I believe that actually was the low of altcoins before the biggest move back up? I'll give you guys corroborating data. This is like a decade worth of data to prove why I think this could be a bullish move back up that's coming. How the fear of retail, a chart that's showing this, is the lowest since 2023, the lowest in 2024 and 23, and why it's historically marked the bottom before Bitcoin actually starts moving back up based off historical cycles. Then we're going to take a look at why alt season is positioned potentially for this month in February to be the most bullish month. And anybody who is working with us in our membership who set up buy limits like we did over here, and you guys got insane buy limits on, XRP down at $1.80, why I believe this was the final flush and what is to come, even on XRP. We're going to do a masterclass this morning of why I believe $4.70 is where XRP is headed next, okay? But that's just one side of it. And this is where I see a little people getting deterred on YouTube here. You need to look at the bearish outlook. Okay, there is data that suggests that the stock market and crypto could be going through a 30 to 50% crash specifically within the next 60 days. And I'm going to explain to you guys why this is true based off the FOMC meetings coming up here, corroborating the last drops that we saw in the stock market compared to Bitcoin. Look at the percentage decreases on both Bitcoin as well as the stock market. And then we need to look at why 2025 could actually turn into a bear market year and why the bull market may actually be delayed until 2026 based off what we see coming. And then I'm going to show you guys and give you guys a downloadable spreadsheet of the buy limits I have set up because I do think a crash is still potentially to come. This is live right now, guys, so you can go watch this. This is what I'm doing with my portfolio. We have $976,000 in Coinbase, and I don't usually show this too much, but we have just over $1 million in a ledger where we keep our XRP and our Stellar, basically the treasure. Put the treasure on the ledger. You guys know, if you guys remember what I'm talking about. So that's what we're covering today. That's in the membership in the description, okay? What I think we're coming into, guys, is a pretty scary moment where never in the history of any bull market, you can look at 2013, you can look at 2021, look at 2017. Never have interest rates and yield curve been inverted while you're going into a bull market. What does this mean, guys? It means that we could be seeing a potential market crash here that's pretty substantial. And I think a lot of people are just not ready and they're not preparing for what could be coming. Okay, I'm going to show both bearish and bullish scenarios this morning. In the description, there's a little emoji. I'm going to give you guys 25% off the membership. I highly recommend go to a coffee shop, watch this. I have no desire to try to show you guys just the bullish outlook of what I think cryptocurrency is going to do. Okay, you need to have a balanced approach because I'm even going to go in and show you guys from technical analysis. If you just take a chart pattern, looks like this, and I'm just going to do a rectangle here. If you look at all the candle wick data within this chart right here, you should be able to see if this is historically looking like an accumulation zone or a distribution zone. And you look at this by what are the wicks doing? When wicks go down, do they bounce up fast? When candles go green, are they pulling back fast? There's a lot of data that suggests that this could be a bullish market with a huge elephant in the room of interest rates decreasing for the first time ever since you guys watching this have been through a bullish market. So what are you going to do? Are you going to sit on the sidelines and say, oh, it's just going to go up because I think we're in a bullish year? Or are you going to get prepared and get some of the best buy entries in a crypto and stock market crash that could be coming up here? This is all laid out for you guys in the future forecast today, and it's done in this video. This video is about, literally, it's the longest future forecast I've ever done. It's not wasted time. It is chart after chart after chart after chart after chart the whole time to show you guys my perspective and even a downloadable spreadsheet. So guys, these videos here are to represent to you guys what we're doing in our membership, and I think today is a very good day to get prepared and get a risk management strategy in case this market literally just falls out on us because of the inverted yield curve and interest rates, because it has happened before. The stock market has crashed upwards of 50% in the past when the inverted yield curve has been like this. And if this happens like it did in COVID, you're looking at a 34% crash. You're looking at a 56% crash. You're looking at a 41% crash. Okay. It is all lining up that this is the only bull market you will probably ever go through where the stock market will have a recession in a bull market. And let me end you with this, because I'm going to go over this data this morning. The S&P 500, when it has gone down, Bitcoin has never not followed. I know you guys want a decoupling, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen because it's never happened in the past. All right? Enjoy Jake's videos coming out today. He's going to show you guys more about setting up the indicators, but I highly encourage you guys to get into the membership, watch the future forecast this morning, use the discount code I gave you in the description. You'll get 25% off that. And I want you guys to watch this. I think this will bless you a lot. I'm going to leave this here, give you guys a pop-up here for the membership, and I will see you guys in a few minutes here in the future forecast on February 4th. Bye, guys.